Hey, what's going on guys? Toadhawk Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build part list review video. So the price point for this video is $1,300, but I did go 50 cents over. Also guys, please keep in mind that this is my personal preference and I finally listened to some of you and went with the M.2 in this build. But anyways guys, be sure to leave a like if you do enjoy and subscribe. Also guys, link to the parts are in the description below. But anyways guys, let's get on with the video. Starting right off with it, for the RAM, I decided to go with the G.Skill Trident Z Neo. This is an AMD specific 16GB kit rated at 3600 MHz for Ryzen processors. Instead of an SSD, I decided to go for a Samsung 970 EVO M.2 SSD for 500GB. And for the processor, I decided to go with the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. It's an 8-core 16-thread processor. It is unlocked and comes with its own cooler. You guys can use a cooler if you want, but I decided to add a liquid cooler to this build. Next, for the motherboard, I decided to go with the MSI Pro Series B450M Pro VDH Max. This is a smaller board, but it is a micro ATX, which can still fit everything you need. If you guys do want to find an ATX board, I couldn't really find one, mainly because with this pandemic going on, everything's been going out of stock real quick, so this was the best one I could find. So guys, for the case, I decided to go with the Thermaltake V200 Tempered Glass RGB Edition. This is a 12-volt motherboard sync capable ATX mid-tower, and it comes with 4 fans, 3 in the front that are RGB and 1 in the back that is not RGB. And for the power supply, I did go for a modular one, but this is by GameMax once again, so I decided to go with the 650 watt 80 plus bronze, and I'm pretty sure this is still a good kind of company because they do have a lot of good reviews for their power supplies. Also guys, it does take 3 to 5 weeks to ship to you, so yeah. So for the graphics card, I decided to go with the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2060 Super. This is an 8GB card, and guys, it comes with 3 fans, so it'd be able to take a lot of heat off the card for better performance. And for storage for all of our games and stuff, I decided to go with the Seagate Barracuda 2TB internal hard drive. This runs at 7,200 RPM. So guys, for the cooler, I decided to go with the Cooler Master Master Liquid ML240L RGB V2. So you guys could use the air cooler that does come with your processor, but I thought it would be cool to have a liquid cooler in this build. So ending off with that, our subtotal came out to $1,300.50. So we did go 50 cents over our budget, but I think it was well worth it. Anyways guys, if you did enjoy this video at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also guys, remember that the link to the parts are in the description below. I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye folks.